Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you another tutorial for the 2019 Honda Accord. We're going to be showing you how to replace your turn signal located on your tail light. In order to do this, you're going to want to locate the two screws behind this cover. You're going to want to remove this first. You're going to want to use your flathead. Insert here slightly, careful with your paint, and pry it open just a little bit. Pry it from the right. Your cover will come off. Then you'll need your handheld screwdriver to remove both of the screws. Once both of your screws have been removed, in order to remove the assembly, there's two clips here. You'll want to pull it away from the car. To remove your turn signal, you'll want to give it a counterclockwise turn. Pull it out, and you'll see your light bulb. To replace the light bulb, you'll give it a slight tug. This light bulb is the Sylvania 7507, which you can find at your local auto parts store. Be sure to wipe it down before inserting back to remove any oil residue left from your fingers. Then you'll want to insert your tail light here. Okay, now that you've put your cover back on, you're all set. If you do need to do the other side, it will be the exact same process. That completes the tutorial for today. If you have any questions on the 2019 Honda Accord, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.